the screen. Here I have the few barcodes. If I scan the barcode here and the related line description with product name and everything which is related to that barcode, which is linked to that barcode, the details will come. Here I am fetching product name and price, and quantity is by default one. If you want to increase the quantity, you can keep on scan the same item multiple times. Here I have scanned 5 times so that the quantity is 5. And if you want to edit and type it manually, and you can put the cursor here and you can type it manually with the keyboard as well. This is editable, and the price is 1.5. This 5 plus 1.5 into 1.5 is 7.50 is the net bill. I want to add one more item now in this previous screen. I have added the new item, and the old item comes to the down to the list, and the new item is at the top index. And by default quantity is 1 and it is 1.5. The total amount is 1.50. So 9 is the net bill, and in that 9, 1.17 is the VAT amount and 7.83 is the gross bill. This gross bill plus VAT amount is equal to net bill, and this 6 is the total number of items. 5 plus 1, 6 items. So here you can complete the task, and by completing you can generate a invoice bill which you need to give it to the customer. And here in this case what we are having net bill and amount received. The moment I completing, so we are capturing amount received field also. That is nothing but the amount given by the customer to them. So if they want to write it in detail, how much amount, original amount which actually customer has given, he can write it here. To write it, he needs to select the payment mode. Here we have payment mode cash and card. In cash, this is the button. In card, we have 3 cards mainly using in Saudi: Master, Mahda, and Visa. We also having short. We can able to click this one, or we also having shortcut keys for this buttons. Either you can operate with the keyboard or you can operate with the mouse. That will be easy and user friendly, so that we have given 2 options. So if I want to type the actual amount received by them, so I click the cash button. So I click the cash button, the cursor automatically comes to the amount received field. Here suppose I have received 10 reals and my net bill is 9. So 1 real is the balance which I need to give back to the customer. This is the balance, and I can complete. The moment I can complete it, one invoice bill generates. So this is the bill. Here we have all the details both in Arabic and English, with the VAT number and address, invoice date and time. What are the items we have added? Quantity, total items, subtotal, VAT, net bill, and discount, etc. Small balance 1 rupee given back to the customer, 1 real actually. User, who is the user? The user is the login user, who is logged in at the particular time and using this POS screen. That user details will come. Yeah, like location. This is hard coded location, and this is QR code. In this QR code, the moment you scan this QR code, all the details will come. The basic details like company name, VAT number, CR number, and VAT amount and net bill. So as per the government standards, we are maintaining the structure. The invoice date and time also we are maintaining. So we can change it accordingly, whatever the format we can display in this QR. So at present we are maintaining this format. By scanning company name, invoice date and time, VAT amount or net bill will come here number. So I can print it, and I can give it to the customer. So the moment one transaction completes, again this is repeatable TS. The same transaction comes here like this, so that I can repeat the process for the different customers. So there will be, let's say there will be a queue, a lot of customers standing in a queue. So after one customer, we need to scan the item for the another customer. And this is date and time, 7th April 2022, 3:51 p.m. This actually the current date and current time will come automatically. So yes, this is the process of the POS we are doing. And in case of card, if you want to see how card is collecting, so I'll show you the card also. So I scan the barcode, and for few items barcode is not there, and we need to search it by name. Okay, for suppose let's say few items barcode is missing, and we need to search it by name. So we have given an autocomplete field called search by name, and I am typing so that accordingly it will filter and it will fetch that item. So after fetching, the moment I select it, it again gets added into the list, and this quantity price automatically comes in backend, and quantity is by default one. We can able to edit it, and this time I am my customer. Let's assume that customer is paying my Mastercard, and I can click this master. The moment I click this master button, this amount received field came to the last. Sorry, this cursor automatically moved to the last four digits, and here they can type the last four digits of the card which customer has given, credit or debit card, and he can complete. For complete also, he can click directly, or in uh, keyboard he can press space bar. Space bar is the shortcut key to complete this process. So complete. Again, the same report generates. You can give it to the customer. The same invoice date and time. So 7th 4th 2022 time is again it is coming, and this is all about POS.